What's going on, guys? It's Saturday. I'm on day 62 of 75 hard. It's about 6:40 in the morning. I'm gonna take you through a day of 75 hard, what it includes, how I do it. This is the weekend, so it's gonna be a little bit different than a weekday, of course, because I don't have work. Follow along.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision.
I'm only gonna drink about half. I don't want to be bloated in the gym, but then again I don't want to be hungry towards the end of my workout, so I'm gonna drink half, then we'll head over to the gym.
I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. What I take for a pre-workout. Celsius. These are delicious, bruh. Anytime they have them on sale, usually they have them on sale at Target. They're really good. I like using them for pre-workout. A little pricey for pre-workout, but hey, I like it, you know. Another thing I like to do is I like to take Alpha Brain with the caffeine from Celsius. And this, I usually do this just on the weekend, mostly because this supplement is really expensive. This helps me come up with a lot of cool ideas. It helps me think creatively. It's a great supplement. I like it. Today we got legs. So, you know, that's just the way it happened. We'll see how it goes. Legs on a Saturday. Maybe we'll hit a little bit of bicep, you know. Arms for the biceps for the, what's this thing? I don't know. Anyways, every day is arm day, like Bradley Martin used to say. Now we're off, let's get going. Alright guys, I'm gonna teach you something, okay? If you're new to working out, you go to a gym, put your shit back, alright? The other people in the gym don't want to pick up after you. Look, they go right there. Put your shit back, alright? Common courtesy, gym etiquette. Learn that shit before you learn how to lift. Finished the workout, 20 minutes on the Stairmaster to finish. Now to go eat the rest of my breakfast because I'm fucking starving. Anyways, headed back to the crib and we'll talk about 75 hard, how it's helped me so far, what it includes, what the actual program is, so stay tuned. Alright, we're back. Time to drink the rest of that shake. Your boy's starving. So I'm about to pound this, make myself 4 eggs, And then that's the first meal of the day. To finish off the first meal of the day, I'm gonna finish drinking my milkshake. And I'm supposed to eat 4 eggs, but it's really easier for me just put them in orange juice and drink them. Delicious. Vitamins, very, very important. So I'm gonna go through what I take on a daily basis. First is fish oil. This is wild Alaskan fish oil. It has omega-3s, 5s, 6s, 7s, and 9s. This is, something I take on the daily. I have another video where I explain why I take it. You can check that out if you're interested. Next is a multivitamin. This is just a multivitamin from Vitamin Shop. It's pretty cheap. Gets the job done. I recommend if you're gonna take any vitamins, you should take at least a multivitamin. Put that in your diet. Next, this is a digestive enzyme. I just take one with a meal, so I'll take one right now since I'm, finishing my shake and I just drank the 4 eggs. So I'll take one of these right now with water to help digest. This is ultra anabolic testosterone boosting formula. Ileana got it for me from First Form. I take 5 during the week, and then on the weekend I take 2 days off. That's what it says to do. I feel like it's helping. I've got a lot stronger the last few months, so I want to say that it really does work. Try it out for yourself if you'd like. It's not very necessary. Next we have vitamin D, D3. This is a very important vitamin that everybody should take, so there's that. Last but not least, we have turmeric. This is a lifesaver. The reason I take this is for my joints. It helps with inflammation. It helps with a bunch of other stuff. There's a bunch of benefits to this vitamin right here. If I were to tell you which vitamins to take and that were absolutely necessary, I would say it'd be this one, vitamin D, and a multivitamin. Do your own research and see what's good for you and what you like and what makes you feel better. Anyways, those are the vitamins I take for the day. I hope this was very informative to you. Let's continue with the rest of the day. All right, let's get right to it. The real reason why you're here, besides my beautiful, gorgeous face. What is 75 Hard? 75 Hard is a mental toughness program created by Mr. Andy Frisella, CEO of supplement company First Form, entrepreneur, public speaker, podcaster. Podcast is fire, by the way. His podcast is Real AF. You can check it out wherever there is podcasts. Formerly known as MFCEO. 75 Hard. What is it? What is the program? What's the big hype, right? You gotta do 2 workouts a day. One of them has to be outdoors. They both have to be 45 minutes. You have to take 1 progress picture a day. You have to read 10 pages of a self-help or entrepreneurial book a day. You have to drink 1 gallon of water a day. You have to follow a diet and no cheat meals and no alcohol for 75 days. Like I said, it's a mental toughness program. A lot of people that are fitness gurus, they're gonna push back on this program because there's no rest days involved. But like I said, it's a mental toughness program. Go into the program with intention of fixing your mental. If you want to know more about the program, you can get Andy Frisella's book. You can find this at 75hard.com. He pretty much just goes through each task. He talks about why it's beneficial, why it's in the program, how it's going to help you. And then he talks about the stages of each part of the program. For example, day 1 through 5 or day 1 through 20. And he talks about how you are probably going to feel, and then he just explains everything through it. Now I'm going to go through how I think this program has helped me. I'm on day 62, so I haven't actually finished the program yet, but I will fucking finish it, and I will beat this motherfucking program's ass, cause it ain't nothing to a boss, know what I'm saying? Things I've learned. Time management. Man, this has helped me a lot, actually. Not only that, but you kind of realize how much you're bullshitting throughout the day. You realize how much time you have, really. and how much slots you can kind of fit in things that you should be doing or tasks that you should be doing. Because a lot of people's excuse is, I don't have time. Well, that's fucking bullshit. It's bullshit. Everybody has time. Everybody has the same 24 hours in a day. If you're not doing the things that you need to, it's because you're probably lazy. I'm guilty of it too. This program has helped me realize I need to manage my time a little bit better. And especially those first 5 to 10 days of the program, damn, those are crucial because you're trying to figure out how to fit all these tasks in your day efficiently. Another thing is memorization. So this is actually my third attempt of 75 hard. The first attempt I failed on day 4. And I'm not going to say this is an excuse or anything, but I had got coronavirus prior to me starting this program, and I started getting symptoms again. I started feeling like shit. I had a huge headache. I just felt sick again. So, you know, I failed that time. After the symptoms went away, I tried again. I got to day 17 and I forgot to take a progress picture. So, you know, it's the small things. Can't leave those things out. So I had to start over from day 1. Another thing is, when you're faced with a difficult task or an uncomfortable task, you can't think. You just got to do it. And I feel like it's helped me kind of practice that a little bit more. Another thing is, water is your best friend. I used to get a lot of headaches. I think it's from the caffeine. Once I started doing this program and drinking a gallon a day, headaches went completely away. I don't get them anymore. This is probably one of the tasks that I'll probably continue doing even after the program is finished. I just think it's really beneficial, and it's probably helping me more than I actually think. So there's that. Fatigue is a mindset. I don't even really have to explain this one. Obviously, don't be stupid. Listen to your body to a certain extent. Okay, last thing I got written down is confidence. I didn't realize how much I was lacking confidence until I got around halfway through this program. I just started noticing it in my voice. I started being more confident when I talk. I walk different. You know, I stand up a little bit straighter. I feel better. I feel good about myself. I feel proud of myself. And I didn't really know I was lacking that. And I think that's a big one. That's going to be a huge part of this program for anybody that goes and tries it and accomplishes it and, you know, gets deep into the program. That's a big one, you know. Without fear, people are able to do a lot of things. And, you know, I think fear holds a lot of people back, including myself. Confidence is really important to have. And I feel like this program really helps me and anybody that'll try it with that. So those are the things that I wanted to talk about. If you want to know more about the program, like I said, listen to that podcast or go to 75hard.com and you know, find it. But my suggestion would be to just fucking do the program. Get that ass out of bed and start doing it. You're probably gonna fail. Start over. Stop being a bitch. Just fucking try the program. Anyways, let's finish the day. Got the Traeger going. It's looking hot. 317. Yeah, it's dirty, but I ain't gonna clean it. Ground turkey. Alright, as you've noticed already, I'm going to be showing a lot of cooking, but realistically, that's going to be what it is. You have to stick to a diet. You're going to have to cook for yourself. You're going to be cooking a lot, especially if you're going to be bulking like me. You're probably not, though. Most people don't bulk and do this program, but I'm a little weird, so I decided to because I want to get big as fuck and strong as fuck. I'm going to show you pretty much a cooking day too, because I'm out of all my food. We'll probably be cooking a lot, so be prepared for that and get all your meals in. See ya. So this is my second meal of the day. I got 7 ounces of steak right here. I got 2 cups of rice. And then I have a handful of nuts, 8 ounces of orange juice as well. So this is my second meal. I eat this usually around 12 o'clock. It's already 2 o'clock. I'm a little late, but it's the weekend, you know. Let me live. All right, I'm on my second workout of the day. Liliana came to join. 45 minutes. We're going on a walk. And another book came in. Can you hold that? So I've read 3 books so far. This will be my 4th book. The Law of Attraction. The Science of Attracting More of What You Want and Less of What You Don't. Michael J. Lozier. Here's a little hack for you. If you want a hardcover book, get it used. It's way cheaper. I think this was like $5. Brand new was like $25. No brainer. Looks brand new. There's a hack for you. All right, finished the walk. Now it's time for meal number 3. And that consists of ground turkey and rice. So there you have it. 9 ounces turkey, 2 cups of rice. And that will be our 3rd meal, baby. What we'll do next, you're about to find out. It's about 9:30. I got meal number 4. Meal number 4, we got 6 ounces of salmon and 2 cups of rice. So there it is, 6 ounces of salmon, 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of olive oil. Get some fat in there, then a little bit of sriracha. Yeah, boy. I got 1 meal after this. I have to read my 10 pages, and it's the book I showed you guys earlier, The Law of Attraction. I'm gonna start that one, and then I'll have my last meal, and then I'll take a progress picture, and we are done for today. Stay tuned. I finished my reading for the day. It's the new book that I showed you guys earlier. Pretty much just introduces what the Law of Attraction is. So yeah, I got this meal right here. I got a cup of yogurt with a handful of mixed fruit and a handful of almonds. So I'll eat that. The only thing I have left is a progress picture. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna head to bed. It's about 11 o'clock. I'm tired as fuck. So let's get this over with. So first, you gotta get naked. So there's my progress picture. I'll go right to the app and start checking off all the stuff that I've done. So I did workout number 1, workout number 2. I took a progress photo, so I upload the photo that I just took. Use photo. I did the 10 pages. Actually, gotta finish the water. About to chug this shit. Done. So we got drink the 1 gallon, follow a diet, check. No cheat meals or alcohol, check. Didn't have any of that. So I'm done. Day completed, day 62. I like to go in and put my weight for the day. Since I'm bulking, I kind of want to. So I'm gonna go weigh myself real quick. Give me 1 second. So I was 210.5, so I'll write in there 210.5, just like that, just like so. And that's it. That's 1 day 75 hard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned if you want to watch the video of me finishing 75 hard. All right, I'm out. Hey, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you felt like it was helpful to you or informative at all, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up, possibly subscribe. You know what I'm saying? But if not, it's all good. Don't worry about it. I'll probably post another video once I'm finished with the program, so stay tuned for that. I may or may not. I don't know. I'm unpredictable sometimes. Who knows? Right now, I'm on day 68. Eating my ground turkey still. Thank you again for watching. See ya.